All right, HVAC people. All right. Yeah. Been a doggone for a little scroll this morning. See? Boy, I say it feel good to be out here on my own. Come here, boy. It's been rarely that I even get the opportunity in the morning, you know, before work, get out here and walk the dog. And me and the wife played dominoes till probably about 12 o'clock last night. And Uno, you know her, I'm not tired, got plenty of rest this morning. I think my first jog probably about 9 o'clock. Come on, boy, come on. Got to change out the evaporator coil. I want to smell everything this morning though. Come here, come here, come here, boy, come on. Hey, come here. So we got to change out the evaporator coil this morning. But anyway, enough about me. I'm living the life anyway, but this thoughts on COVID, I think it is finally hitting the HVAC world big time. And but we finna start seeing, I'm actually already starting to see going to the supply houses and they're having shortage on all kind of units, equipment, as far as condenser units, evaporator coil. I don't really know about the furnace, but let's go. We starting to see it taking a toll on, you know, I guess the manufacturer, the workers, they're not able to manufacture any of the equipment. And that's the big large brands as far as Goodman. I've been waiting on the condenser coil for Goodman about a week and a half now. Train, I tried to buy a coil from Train yesterday. They front end got telling me that they're telling everybody to start using leak sealing. You know, I champion leak sealing anyway. Not champion, but I do use it for last alternative to my customers. So the people out there that you know, don't use leak sealing, what are y'all gonna do? I know some people don't like leak sealing at all and refuse to use it. So, but if you got a leak in your coil, are you just gonna keep charging it up, or what are you gonna do? No. So, like I say, everybody got their that's like me, as far as there's nothing wrong with it. This is not a leak seal video. It's just, I mean, what kind of option are you gonna have? Come here, boy. Leave that car alone. Hey, so that's like a coil cleaner. I don't like using coil cleaner. You know, sometimes if it's like green clean or something like that, I have used it. If it's like a last alternative, you know, I use it then. Good morning. All right, I use it then. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah, poop all along. So, but like I say, but I am going to use the leak sealer to try to, and it's a warranty coil. Hey, come on. It's a warranty coil, but I can't get the coil, so I mean, I'm gonna try to use leak sealing. If it doesn't work, hopefully they have some coil, you know, by then. The warranty is out in, I think, 2024. So I'll try to leak sealing, and once this economy pick back up and they start back making coil, hey, chill out. They start back making coil, I'm still gonna put the work order in and change it out. But I do think, if you notice my channel, I don't try to push replacing equipment anyway. So the people out there that don't really know how to work on equipment and just have to replace it, can't figure out the problem. I found that some people don't even know how to change the compressor out. So if compressor bad, you know, they'll tell the customer that they need new equipment. So the technicians that know how to troubleshoot and know how to fix things, I think we're gonna be all right. You know, the companies that push sales, they the ones that gonna struggle. So I don't know if it's gonna be shortage on compressors and stuff like that, control boards. If that starts to happen, you know, then we really might be in trouble. But as far as equipment sales, I think we'll be all right on there right there. Hey man, hey boy, hey, get down. Look here. You want to go to the pond? You want to go over there this morning, or you want to stay on concrete? I think it's wet over there. I don't think I'm gonna go over there. We're gonna stay on the concrete today, buddy. Come on. Not today. Yeah, so just give me your thoughts and your comments as far as in your city, cause I'm in Houston and we got a bunch of manufacturers here. If we seeing a hit, I think if y'all haven't seen one yet, y'all finna see a shortage come. I went to Lennox. I did get a 3-ton condenser unit I installed yesterday from Lennox. They seem like they might be all right. Hey man, come on. He ready to run. We usually run in the morning. Well, when I do walk him anyway. I need to tire him out. I usually let him go in that grass over there and just take off. A lot of people scared of Rottweiler for some reason, but this is a good dog. He ain't gonna bother nobody. Unless he sense something. Come on, boy. That boy's strong though. Hey, sound like you tired. Yeah, but I gotta get him in shape. I try to walk him in the evening time, but sometimes, you know, in HVAC, especially working like I was working, man, you just don't have time. But now I got a lot more time on my hand. I can walk him every morning, you know. I say it's good. But anyway, but that's pretty much the only problem that I've seen so far. Like I say, I've been steady busy. Like I say, we recession proof this industry here, but when it goes to we don't have any equipment to repair the unit, recession proof or not, it's gonna take a hit on it. Hey, quit choking yourself. Y'all, I say, so recession proof or not though, if we don't have the equipment that we need to fix this equipment, we might be in a world of trouble. But I think long as we can repair the units, we'll be all right. I say I'm not worried at all, but I would like to hear y'all comment and let me know what city you're in and have y'all took any hits. Are y'all waiting on equipment? Come here, boy. Are y'all waiting on equipment? Where y'all at? Hey, come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, get in. Come here, boy. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? That's a good boy right there. That Lennox unit right there been holding up strong. But yeah, like I say, I ain't really advocate on I install any equipment, but we have been taking the hit lately. Lennox, they do have equipment, so if you're in Houston area and you need a condenser unit or evaporator coil, Lennox does have them. Train do not have them. Carrier been out for probably about 2 weeks now. Carrier don't have anything. Goodman, they slow on their equipment. Come here, boy. Leave it alone. Eat it. Hey, sit. Come on. Sit. Anyway, let me come here, boy. Leave a comment. Let me know. Have y'all been seeing the slowdown on equipment in your city on COVID-19? And all right. So lastly, also, cost of demand. Price is going to go up. If it's a shortage, that's in the old economic class. Cost of demand. If ain't no, this is plenum coil that I'm finna go install. Somebody left a comment on my page that they purchased the last 1.5 ton condenser unit from Goodman yesterday. So if it's a shortage on these coils right here, price is gonna go up. I wouldn't be surprised if some homeowner paid $20,000, to get some cooling. If somebody has some condensers to sell, they might pay $20,000 to get their unit up and running. So whoever took advantage of purchasing large amount of 3-5 ton units, if they got the condensers in their warehouse, they gonna make well off. They probably gonna up their prices, on their installation. I have several compressors, brand new, that I had purchased earlier this year, just to have. So I don't have any units, but it would have been nice, I had the opportunity to buy like I think it was like some 3-ton units. It was like, but I don't like stockpile equipment, so I don't have a warehouse to do that anyway. But if you have a warehouse and you got like, several hundred units or something like that, they're gonna make off real good. I say that's just my thoughts though. I do think our services may have to go up. We might have to up our prices, even on repairs. But I'm gonna call around a couple supply houses today and just ask general questions like how many contactors they gonna, do they see a shortage of contactors coming, capacitors? We get in trouble if there's no 45 by 5 capacitor. Matter of fact, I tried to, because I only have about 2 or 3 45 by 5 capacitors left. I'm glad I thought that. I'm finna go to another supply house now, but I went to Lennox. They didn't have any 45 by 5 capacitors. So maybe it would be a shortage on that also. But the general parts, I think you better hurry up and stock up on them, because if we have a second wave, or third wave, or something like that with this COVID, what you gonna do if you ain't got a capacitor or control board or something like that to get these people equipment up and running. Like I say, I'm not worried about it at all. I just want to know your thoughts. Call around your supply houses and ask them what they think. So I guess even little things like thermostats, might want to get a couple of them. Contactors, thermostats, capacitors for sure. Like I say, that common 45 by 5, that's a common use. Either that or stock up on them turbos. I don't keep a lot of turbos, but I do have the turbos. Like I said, I use these and I go back and get them if I don't have it. If I don't have it the size I need, I go back the next day or the next couple of days and put the correct one on them. That's usually how I've been doing that. Anyway, let me get started. Let me know your thoughts.